Hello everyone, it's Charlion Patrice, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'll be showing you how I installed and styled this wig. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. So this wig is from Ywigs. I received a 10-inch 13 by 6 lace front bob, and here I'm showing you how everything looked once I first received it. So as you can see, the hairline is pre-plucked and very natural looking, and also the lace is transparent. So this is how the wig looked once I finished bleaching the knots and letting the hair air dry. Okay, so now I'm about to apply my wig, and I did add some makeup in the inside. Look how good this unit looked as soon as I put it on. The lace in the front is natural looking, and also the cut is very nice. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut off the extra lace that's by my ears, and also I'm cutting off the lace in the front. So, of course, to apply my unit, I'm using my Extreme Hold Lace Glue, and I will have a link down below in the description bar because I did restock today. So all I'm doing is adding one layer going across, and then I'm taking my popsicle stick and I'm spreading that layer out. Once that layer turns clear, I'm going to apply another layer and repeat the same steps. So once my last layer turns clear, I'm applying my lace. After that, I'm taking out some baby hair, and on the right side, like I said, I added a little bit too much glue, but it will dry clear after I apply my melting band. Once I'm finished taking out my baby hair, I'm taking my melting band and I'm applying it for 10 minutes. And here I'm just cutting off a little bit of hair just to frame my face a little bit more. So after 10 minutes, I removed my melting band, and this is how my hairline looked. So as you can see, the lace blends in so well. So now I'm flat ironing the hair and adding a little bit of, a little bump to the end. And also I did my baby hair off camera. So yeah, so this is the final look. I'm really feeling this bob. I love how lightweight it is and natural looking. The hair is very soft and I don't have any tangling or any shedding or anything like that. So yeah, so this is one of my must-have wigs that's going in my collection. I will have all the links down below in the description bar so you can go ahead and check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you dolls in the next video. Bye bye.